interesting place in the apartment was the refrigerator. There was always something new and tasty appearing inside. Smart Wendy had learned how to open it when she was still little. Sometimes the fridge would stand quietly, and sometimes it would hum like a well-fed cat. And that's when Wendy started thinking about food. At first, she just wanted to look at it. Then she wanted to touch it. Then only to smell it. And then the food would suddenly disappear. "You've been sneaking into the fridge again without asking," grumbled Oliver. "Just wait. You'll get fat and won't fit through the door. How am I supposed to take you for a walk then?" Wendy promised not to go near the refrigerator anymore, and for a week, or maybe even longer, she kept her word. But then she'd want to look at the food again, just to check if it was still there. And it all started over again. When Wendy had nothing else to do, she loved playing hide and seek. She had 3 favorite hiding spots: under the sofa, in the closet, and in the pantry. She'd hide in one of them and wait. Would Oliver find her or not? Of course, he knew all those places perfectly well, but he wasn't about to go looking for Wendy. "I'm counting to 3 and going for a walk without you. 1, 2. At 3, Wendy would jump out herself. Since her owner wouldn't play, Wendy had to play hide and seek by herself, or with imaginary burglars and thieves. Sometimes Wendy imagined how they'd break in, take all the valuables, but never find her. But for some reason, the imaginary burglars always found her. Under the sofa, in the closet, in the pantry. And one day, Wendy had a clever idea. What if she hid in the refrigerator? Maybe then the burglars wouldn't find her. She had to try. Only the sausage was in the way. So she ate it, and fit perfectly in the bottom compartment. Suddenly, the refrigerator door slammed shut, and the light went out. "Oh no. I hope Oliver comes home soon and decides to have dinner," thought Wendy. Or maybe the burglars would break in and decide to raid the fridge. Time passed. No burglars came. Oliver didn't show up either. Wendy suddenly realized he wouldn't guess she was in the refrigerator. He'd worry, run around looking for her outside, call the police, the neighbors. He'd be so upset. He'd lose his appetite, and not even think to open the fridge. What a nightmare. Wendy lay there shivering. Just a little longer, and I'll freeze, she thought. Suddenly, the refrigerator opened. She saw Oliver's frightened face. "You look frozen. How did you know I was in the fridge?" "It was shaking so hard. I didn't have to guess," he said. Oliver carried Wendy to the bathroom and turned on the hot water. "And what exactly were you doing in the fridge?" he asked. "Guarding the food from thieves. Playing hide and seek." After the bath, her owner wrapped her in a warm blanket and laid her on the couch. "I'm not fat at all," mumbled Wendy as she drifted off. "Not fat," sighed Oliver, "but definitely foolish."
Support us with a like and follow the channel.